I noted in few days that windshield fluid is not working. So I removed the motor after a big effort, as I had to remove a headlight, front buffer as well. I have not included that part in this video, because I did not plan to make a video. This white color motor is of rear window fluid motor and the black one is of front. However, the rear side motor is working well, but I removed it as well to check and compare the performance. Same way I checked the black motor as well, but I did not see that the motor is rotating. Therefore, I wanted to know the motor is stuck or burnt. Therefore I used a multimeter to check the power consumption of the motor. You can check it by changing the selection switch to ampere range. There is a reading more than 1.7 amperes, which is unusual. It may be a cause to motor is stuck. Even though the multimeter shows a reading that the motor is consuming current, when you give the power directly to the motor is not working. In order to check the motor, you have to remove the cover of the fluid pump. If you check the pump carefully, this pump is not made to repair. It is sealed with glue. But you can find a mark of separation on the pump top. Not easy to open the pump, but you can open it giving a hard try. Sometimes I used a sharp knife and there is a consequences. Be careful when you use sharp tools and use glouses. I did not use glouses and I cut my finger. By the way, once the motor is removed, you can separate the motor parts. I cleaned the motor parts and reassembled to check the motor. However, I have already confirmed that the motor coil is good. After the motor is assembled, I gave the power. You can see that the motor is working. But the problem is noise. You may be familiar with this sound. This is because of overpower or loose connections of the motor. If you use this motor, there will be another repair within few days. So, I opened the motor again. I used thinner to clean the parts of the motor and assembled. And also I used some engine oils to make the rotation smooth. After cleaning the motor and oiling, you can see the difference of the motor noise. Since we know that the motor is working well, we can assemble all the things again. If you remember that, we opened the motor to fix, but it was not prepared to be repaired. So, after reassembling the fluid pump, you have to seal the pump with glue. If it is not sealed well, windshield water can be leaked. So I used super glue to seal the pump. Since I am satisfied with the fluid pump reassembling, I am going to check the pump. We can check it with basin of water. It is not an issue, even the polarity is changed. Only thing is the fluid flowing speed will be low when the power is given to the wrong side. I think the motor is working well as fluid pump function is satisfied. Check if there is water leakages and ready to fix with your vehicle. Now it's time to fix the motor fluid with the windshield fluid tank. Remember the correct wiring and the correct pipes as the both front and rear fluid motors are in the same location. In my vehicle, black motor is for front and the black motor is for rear. And also the fluid pump has a rubber bush. It must be without damages. Check the rubber bushes as well before fixing into the fluid tank. You can see now the windshield fluid is working well. But there is only one hole is working out of 2 holes. It is not an issue, you can fix it within few seconds. If you have watched my short video, you already know how to fix it. Though not pre-planned, I am happy to do this kind of a video for a change. If you have learnt new thing and it is help to you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon with a new video. Until, be innovative and stay with SETNFIX.